Good morning children. Welcome back to online classes. So previous class we have discussed about our basic needs, air and water. So air is very important to us. So like that water is also very important to survive on this earth. All the living things are depend on water. Yes the children, and we also discussed about how we will use the water for various purpose. How the air is helps to move the numbers of things. Yeah, children. So today's class we are going to see our basic needs, clothes. So clothes worn by one and all. All are wearing the clothes. Yeah, the children. Maybe it is shirt, pant, frock, sari, kurta, etc. All human beings are wearing the different kinds of, or we can say varieties of clothes. It is changed when how the season is changed, our clothing, our wearing system is changed. Wearing the clothes, we are changing. Yeah, the children, first we discussed in this lesson why the cloth is very important to us, and then second is how we see the people in different parts of India have the special clothes. Yeah, the children, and the last one how the clothes made up of. So these three things we are going to discuss in this lesson. So first we discussed why we need clothes. Why we all need clothes, children, tell me. Why we all need the clothes? Tell, why we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body. And the children see, I am wearing a sari. So to cover my body, you are wearing the shirt, t-shirt to cover your body. Yeah, the children. So all the living things are need the clothes to cover their body. Yes. So what is the first point? To cover our body, we need clothes. Yeah, the children. So first point, to cover our body. Yeah, the children. If in your home there is any function, or you are going for party, or you are going to marriage, what you will do, children? You will wear the very beautiful or pretty dress to look very attractive and beautiful. Yeah, the children. Yes, you will get a very good dress. You will wear the very good frock, jeans, t-shirt. Your mother will wear the very beautiful sari to look very pretty. Yeah, no, when Diwali comes, you will wear the another kind of frock. When other festival come, another festival, again you will change that. You will wear different one. Yeah, no? So this all the clothes for what? To cover our body, to look very beautiful, handsome, pretty. We will wear the clothes. Yeah, no? So if your birthday is there, what you will do? You will go to shop and purchase the new dress, new clothes you will purchase and you will wear that day. Yes or no? Yes, that means what? Different occasion, festival, ceremony or any function, you will wear the different kinds of clothes. If there is a party, you will wear the skirt, top like that. If there is a marriage function, you will wear the long frock, saris and all the things, chudidar. As when you have the gathering functions, dance program, you will wear the, what is the song, related to that song only you will wear the dress. So dress is very important. for to that song. So why we need the clothes? We need the clothes to cover our body, to look beautiful, pretty, handsome. So we need a clothes. Next, to protect us from the hot sun, rain and cold, we need a cloth. Yeah, the children, to protect us from hot, cold and rain. To protect us from the hot sun rays, you will wear the cloths. Yes, children? When you go outside to play, if you wear the only banyan, then what will happen? Just after 2 to 3 hours playing, you are spending outside only. In the hot sun, you are playing with your friends. When you come back to home, just take and observe your body. How much part of body is covered with that banyan? You can see the shape of that banyan. You can see on your body only. This much part is white and remaining part becomes the black. Because why? You wear the only banyan. So means what here? Clothes protect us from the hot sun. It's protect us from the hot sun. So always when you will go to outside, what your mother will say? Beta, wear the t-shirt, wear the shirt, because you are playing in the hot sun. Yeah, na? So remember, so cloth is very important to protect us from the hot sun. Yes, then what is cold? When the cold comes, rainy season comes, automatically your cloth is changed. Your dresses is changed. It protects us from the cold also. When you are feeling the too much cold, what you will do? You will wear the woolen cloths, or you will wear the t-shirts only. No, you will wear the woolen cloth like sweater, then scarf. You will use the hand gloves. Numbers of things you will use for what purpose? Sometimes you will use the monkey cap also to keep your body warm, to protect us from the cold. Next, in the rainy season, what you will do? Again, your clothing system will change. You will wear the raincoats, jerkins to protect our body from the rain. Why you are wearing this all the things? Because that cloth, it keeps our body dry. Clear, children? So we say the cloth protects us from the hot, cold and rain. And the last one is what? It's to protect us from the insects. Last one, to protect us from insects. Yes, when you wear the full t-shirt or full shirt, then what will happen? Mosquito will bite? No, it won't bite because your hands are covered. Any insect won't bite only. Same for the legs also. If you wear the half pant only and you are playing near to the garden, what will happen? You can see the numbers of mosquitoes are biting because your legs are open. So whenever you will go outside to play in the garden or anywhere, wear the full pant only. Full pant protect us from the numbers of insects. So see here, cloth also protect us from the insects. So we need the cloth. We all need the cloths to cover our body, to protect us from hot, varieties of clothes to suit every occasion, function and the party, and also for climatic condition. Yeah, now children, we can see the varieties of clothes. How the season change, our wearing style also change. You can see here numbers of clothes we can see: shirt, pant, banyan, then sweater, scarf, cap, tie, coat, skirt, kurta, then sari. So these are the numbers of varieties of clothes to suit every occasion and climatic condition. Children, when it comes the summer, what you will do? Which clothes you like to wear in the summer, children? Tell me, which clothes? Yes, you will wear the cotton clothes in summer. Why you will wear the cotton clothes in summer? Because cotton clothes keeps our body cool. So, you will wear the cotton clothes in summer. Children? So, always we prefer to wear the shorts, t-shirt, all cotton only, cotton skirt, top we will wear. So in the summer we will wear the light cotton cloths. Light cotton cloths. Why we will wear cotton cloths only? Why we won't wear the synthetic and the woolen cloths? Tell me children, because woolen cloth keeps our body warm. Synthetics, it's a burn. If we wear the cotton, then cotton cloth keeps our body cool. So, we should wear the cotton cloths only. Either it is a skirt, t-shirt, top, kurta, shorts, everything should be cotton only. Then only you will feel very comfortably. You can play outside. Whenever you will go for the summer vacations, what you will carry? Which type of clothes you will carry with you? Tell me children, woolen clothes, synthetic clothes, silk? No, you will carry only the cotton cloths. Okay children? So which things you like to drink in the summer season? Tell me, which things you like to eat or drink in the summer season? You like to eat and drink ice cream, because ice cream is cold and it's too much hot. So you like to eat the ice cream in the summer season. Then again, coconut water, tender coconut. And nariyal pani, you say no? Yes, that you will drink more. Then again, cold drinks. Cold drinks also very cold only, not a moderate. You will drink the cold drink. This one to be cold. Cold drinks. Then again, juice. Whatever juice is prepared in home, it should be cold only. Because it is a summer season. So you like this all the things in the summer seasons to drink and eat. Because these things are too much cold. Yes, when you play outside in the summer, in the hot sun, and when you come back to home, and your mama will say, what you want to drink? Then what you will say? Ice cream? No, you will say the juice. Either it is any kind of juice. Apple juice, orange juice, pineapple juice or lemon juice. But the thing is what? It should be very cold only. When you drink that cold drinks, then you will feel inside Very cool, very cold. Yes, ha. You know, you will get relaxed by drinking that because you played in the hot sun. Body become very hot, and when you drink the cold drinks, then you will feel very cold inside and relax. So these things we will do in the summer when you go for out of station in the summer. Then what you will do? You will say to your mama, we'll go near to the beach only to enjoy. Yes or no? You will enjoy that. You will drink the cold drinks. You will eat the numbers of ice cream. Yes. So in the summer, we will wear the light cotton cloths because cotton cloths keep our body cool, and we will eat and drink the ice cream, cold drinks and juice. Then your dressing style is changed. You will use the cap, umbrella, goggles, everything you will use to protect your body from the hot sun rays. The next, when it comes to the winter, again your dressing style is changed in the winter. Which clothes you will wear, children, in the winter? Tell me which clothes? Yes, you will wear the woolen clothes. Why you will wear the woolen clothes? Tell me. Is it important to wear the woolen clothes? Yes, it is very, very important because woolen clothes keeps our body warm. It keeps our body hot. So we will wear the woolen clothes in summer season. We want to cover our full body. So what you will do? You will use the scarf, monkey cap, you will use the hand gloves. Everything you will pack. Everything, each part of body you will cover with the woolen cloths only because it keeps us warm. Thick socks also. If it is too much cold, like in the Jammu Kashmir, Shimla, that said, they will wear the thick socks also. Muffler, cap, everything they will use because there is a snowfall. How we get the rainfall? Like that, there is a snowfall. So that temperature is a very, very, or we say too much cold. So they will wear or they will cover full body with the woolen cloths only. Sometimes they will put the fire also to keep their body very warm. What you people do here? You will collect all the dry leaves, peoples, early in the morning. Yes or no? You will collect all the dry leaves and the paper, waste paper, whatever it is. You will collect and you will put the fire and you will sit around that. You will take the hot fire. Children, why? Because to keep our body hot and warm. All people will sit around that fire only. When it is too much cold. People. You can see here. See in this image. See, you will use the woolen cloths. See, sweater, muffler, scarf, thick socks. Everything you will use it to keep your body warm. And another side you can see the people. People is sitting around the fire. They are taking the hot air to keep their body warm. See how the dressing style is changed here. You can see that everything is changed. Here you packed. Everything you covered here. Yes. So, in the winter, we will use the woolen cloths to keep our body warm. When it's come the rainy season, during the rainy season, what you will do? Yes, in the rainy season, we need a raincoat. What we need, children? We need a raincoat. Why you need a raincoat? Tell me, why you need a raincoat? To protect In the rainy season, we will use the raincoats. We will use raincoats again. Again, what you will use when you want to come to school or you are going in the market or any shop near to your house only. What you will use, children? You will use the umbrella. You know what you will use? You will use the umbrella. So in the rainy season, we need raincoat and umbrella. And sometimes, if it is too much rain, everywhere we can see the water only, then we will use the gumboots also. Like this, it is till the knees. We can see that gumboot till the knees. We can see the gumboots. So when it is the heaviest rain and everywhere there is a water, that time we will use the gumboots to walk in that rains. Sometimes we will use the rubber shoes also. Rubber shoes for what? To protect our fingers from the water. So we will use the rubber shoes. It's not a slippery. We can walk comfortably in that rain also. Yeah, no, children? So that we won't get wet. If you use this gumboot and the rubber shoes, then we won't get the wet only. Clear? So in the rainy season, we use raincoat, umbrella, gumboots and the rubber shoes also. And what you all people do? You will play in that rain. You will wear the raincoat wherever you find the puddles. Puddles means what? Where the water is collected in the small khatta, is a small hole only. You will go and jump. You will go with your friends and you will jump in that dirty water. In that puddles you will jump and you will enjoy it. Otherwise you will take the small pebbles. You will take the small stones and you will throw. Otherwise you will make a paper boat and you will live in that water. So you will enjoy it in the rainy season. Yes, in the rainy season, which things you like to eat, children? Tell me. Because in the rainy seasons, you can't go anywhere. You can't play also. You will inside of home. So what things you like to eat? Tell me. Yes. Whatever things your mother is preparing in the kitchen, it should be hot only. Yes, it should be hot. Like a tea, coffee, milk, again, then samosa, bhaji, snacks. You will eat in the rainy season. Yeah, no, children? In the rainy season, we will use the raincoats, gumboots. You can see children here. Children are wearing the raincoats, you know. And then this is called the gumboot. And this girl is wearing the rubber shoes, you can see. And they are playing in the water. They are playing. Where is the puddles? Just to see. They both are jumping and enjoying the rain. Yes. Sometimes you will use the umbrella also if you want to go in the shop near to your house, then you will use the umbrella also. Yeah, no, children? So for all the season, we need the different kinds of the cloths. Here you can see in the summer, we will use the light cotton cloths to keep our body cool, and we eat and drink ice cream, cold drinks and juice. In the winter season, you can see again our dressing style is changing. The same cloths we won't wear in the winter season. In the winter, we will wear the woolen cloths. Either it is a sweater, scarf, muffler, hand gloves, etc. Because woolen cloths keeps our body warm. Next is the rainy season. In the rainy season, we need a raincoat, umbrella, gumboot and the rubber shoes which protect us from the rain, and it also keep our body dry. In this season we like to eat and drink. Everything should be hot, like coffee, milk, tea, any snacks, whatever your mother is preparing, everything should be hot only. Even the meals also, lunch, dinner, everything should be hot in the winter and rainy season. Okay children? So today's class, what we discussed children, in the today's class we discussed how the clothes is very important. Why it is important means what? To cover our body, to protect us from hot, cold and rain, and also to protect us from insects. Okay children, so whatever I finished in this video, based on that I will give the homework. This homework should be written in your EVS notebook. Okay children? 3 questions I will give. What kind of clothes? What kind of clothes should we wear in summer? Should be wear in summer. Why do we wear a raincoat? Next one. Why do we wear a raincoat? A raincoat. Why do we wear a raincoat in rainy season? Last question. Why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? Why do we need clothes? So these 3 questions you have to write in the EVS notebook. Already this all the things I have explained in this video. If you not understand, see the 2-3 times this video, then you will understand and you will get these answers also. What kind of cloth should we wear in summer? Why do we wear a raincoat in rainy season? Why do we need clothes? So write down when this video will go, that this date should be written. Give the lesson name, our basic needs cloth, then write the homework, and this all 3 questions should be written in your EVS notebook. Okay children? So same thing I will continue in the next class. Thank you children.